Welcome, everyone. In this video, we're diving into small business accounting essentials, a crucial toolkit for owners, entrepreneurs, and anyone seeking to gain control over their business finances. My goal is to break down complex concepts into simple, actionable steps so you can confidently manage your accounting no matter the size of your operation. Let's jump right in and look at today's agenda, so you know what's in store. Here's what we'll be covering today. We'll start with an introduction to small business accounting, understanding why it's fundamental for any successful company. Then we'll outline the core accounting principles that drive accurate financial records. You'll learn about popular bookkeeping systems and software options, so you can pick what fits your workflow best. We'll explore key financial reporting essentials, making sense of the numbers behind your business. Next, we'll look at strategies for managing cash flow and smart budgeting. We'll discuss compliance, taxes, and accounting best practices, critical for staying out of trouble and building a solid reputation. Finally, we'll wrap up with a summary so you have clear next steps. Let's begin by explaining what small business accounting really means and why it's so vital, especially for those just starting out. If you're running a small business, accounting isn't just paperwork, it's the backbone of your company's growth. Small business accounting is all about accurately documenting, classifying, and summarizing every financial transaction. This doesn't just help you stay organized. It empowers you to make informed decisions, plan ahead, and measure your progress. Good accounting practices go beyond ticking boxes for regulators. They allow you to spot trends and opportunities, track whether your goals are being met, and ensure you comply with any financial regulations, saving you headaches down the line. In this section, I'll unpack why accounting specifically matters for small organizations, how it differs from the priorities of bigger enterprises, and what steps you can take to kickstart smart financial habits immediately. Now that we understand the importance of accounting, let's review the core principles behind accurate bookkeeping. 3 pillars uphold sound accounting: documentation, accrual accounting, and the double entry system. First, documentation. Every transaction, whether an invoice, receipt, or contract, needs to be properly recorded. This isn't just a chore. It creates a reliable paper trail, boosts accuracy, and makes your business audit ready. Accurate documentation ensures you're equipped when facing tax time or making important financial decisions. Second, the accrual basis. Instead of recording transactions only when cash moves in or out, accrual accounting notes them when they're actually earned or incurred. This provides a much clearer snapshot of your financial obligations and performance, helping you anticipate expenses or income before money exchanges hands. Third, the double entry method. For each transaction, you record both a debit and a credit. This isn't just tradition. It's what keeps your books balanced, accurate, and transparent. With these principles in mind, let's explore the available bookkeeping systems and discover which tools can make your job easier. Choosing the right bookkeeping system is about more than software. It's about efficiency, accuracy, and scalability. Integrated solutions connect your accounting directly to payroll, payment platforms, and tax filing services. These systems save time by automating data flow, cutting down on manual entry, and supporting seamless record keeping. Accounting software is a game changer for most small businesses. It automates tasks like entering transactions, generating invoices, and tracking cash flow. Plus, many options can scale as your company grows, minimizing errors and improving efficiency. Manual bookkeeping, using spreadsheets or handwritten ledgers, still has its place for very small firms, especially if transactions are minimal. While it offers control over every entry, it's important to be aware of the potential for human error and the time investment required. No matter which system you choose, the goal is the same: reliable, organized financial records. Now, let's see how these records translate into actionable insights through financial reporting. Financial reports turn your business data into actionable intelligence, guiding smarter decisions and revealing the health of your company. Ratio analysis uses data from your financial statements to benchmark progress, set strategic targets, and plan for growth or risk management. A cash flow statement tracks every dollar entering and leaving your business, so you see your sources of income and where your resources are going. By forecasting cash flow, you're prepared to handle lean periods and avoid shortages. The income statement, also called the profit and loss statement, summarizes revenues and costs over time. Tracking these trends helps you spot ways to improve profitability and efficiency. Finally, the balance sheet offers a snapshot of your assets, liabilities, and equity, essential for evaluating your financial strength, securing loans, or impressing investors. In short, these reports help you understand whether your business is thriving, stable, or at risk, anytime you want a clear picture. Next up, we'll talk about managing cash flow and budgets, essential for keeping your business resilient and growing. Cash flow management and disciplined budgeting are keys to survival and success for any small business. Starting with budgeting, laying out your expected income, both fixed and variable expenses, and possible funding gaps ahead of time is a proactive way to stay prepared. Calculation comes next. By monitoring actual cash flows against the plan, you can quickly spot problems, avoid late payments, and build trust with partners, vendors, and lenders. Regular reviews boost your forecasting accuracy, helping you stay one step ahead. Workflow automation, like payment reminders and integrated expense tracking, cuts down on errors and helps optimize when you pay bills or collect payments. These efficiencies keep your finances on steady ground. Finally, integration means bringing all your cash flow projections into one dashboard, giving you a big-picture view to guide expansion, investments, and risk management. With budgeting and cash flow under control, it's time to understand compliance, taxes, and industry best practices, critical for avoiding costly mistakes. Thinking about compliance through a SWOT lens highlights the strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats small businesses face. Strengths include timely, accurate tax filings and financial reporting, which build credibility and prevent penalties. These habits bolster your reputation and support future investment. Weaknesses may arise from poor clarity about your financial position or inadequate readiness for loans, tax, or partner reviews. Opportunities come from leveraging cloud software and streamlined practices, which make compliance much simpler, even for teams working remotely. Following best practices also eases audits and lowers the risk of penalties. But beware of threats. Complex or shifting tax codes can trip up new owners, while poor record-keeping might result in costly and time-consuming audits by tax authorities. Knowing these factors helps you design accounting processes that protect your business and open the door to growth. Let's finish with some closing thoughts on how good accounting lays the foundation for continued success. In summary, cultivating solid accounting habits isn't just about crunching numbers. It's crucial for growing your business, simplifying compliance, and lowering risks. By investing in the right systems, maintaining disciplined documentation, and staying committed to ongoing learning, you'll position your company to thrive in a competitive landscape. Thanks for joining me as we unpacked the essentials of small business accounting. Don't forget, the best time to start building strong financial practices is now. If you're ready to dig deeper into any topic, let me know in the comments or check out more resources below. Until next time, keep striving for financial excellence.